How to calculate percentage change in Excel. In this video we will discuss how to calculate percentage change in Excel, and we will create this kind of data, and then we will find the change of percentage in the price for the products, and then we will change the we will apply the 10% increase in the price as well in the second example. So we are going to discuss two examples over here. The first information I want to give you that this video is created on the Excel mobile app, which is official app, and this the formula and the function and the procedure of using Excel on the desktop version and the mobile version is totally same, as this is the official application of Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to start this video. Before that, I want you to subscribe our channel and leave a like on my video right now. So please like right now on my video. So I'm going to clear the data on this uh, table, so on this as well. So we will start working on this data. So let's consider we have the price of each product for the last year is considered as 220. The processor will be 125, and the 90 will be keyboard, and 550 for the monitor, and 50 for the mouse. So, and the current price we got as 290. 125 is same price as the last year and the current year for the processor, and the 90, 500 and 55 for the mouse. So now I'm going to apply the formula. The formula is very simple, as I already gave the training before on the simple calculation for the percentage formula. The new value and the old value will be required for this calculation. So we have both values. So new value separated from the old value, and then divided the answer with the old value and multiply with the 100. We have multiple training on the percentage calculation. We already done 15 topics, and more topics we are going to do. If you want to learn percentage calculation or want to create a pie chart, different charts, or multiple rows calculation of the percentage, even if you want to learn more example of percentage change calculation, so you can watch more videos from the link given in the description or from my channel. You can find it. So I'm going to apply the formula over here. That's a simple formula, which is for the differentiate the price for the current year and the from the previous year. So is equal to minus from the last year, and we can drag this formula as well for on Excel mobile app. Once we click the fill, so it can be dragged here. You can see I'm going to drag it again for your understanding. Let me show you again how I can drag it. So once you press on the fill, so it will allow you to drag the same formula. So here we got the change of price for each product. Let me put some other amount over here so you can understand, I think, easily. Let me put as keyboard as 100, and for the new year is considered as $110. So we have the price, and we are going to apply the formula over here to get the change of percentage. So formula is very simple. Let me show you again. The formula is very simple over here. The percentage formula is the new value will be separated from the old value, then answer will be divided with the 100. Sorry, answer will be divided with the old value, and to get the percentage we need to multiply with the 100. But in the Excel we don't need to multiply with the 100. We will apply the percentage formula. And the second important thing is that if we get the result in positive, that means the price in the current year it will be increased, and the if the amount is negative, so we will consider and we will get to know the amount is reduced from the last year as well. So the formula is very simple. That's formula is very simple. I'm going to apply over here is equal to the current price. Sorry, I have to add some brackets. Open bracket, current price minus previous price, close bracket, then divide with the previous price, okay, last year price. So here you get the result in percentage. Actually we haven't divided with the 100 because we already apply the percentage format over here. Let me show you percentage 31.82. I have a call, just if you give me a second. So sorry, it was a call. So if we apply if we clear the format, so here you will get this number in the numeric format, but we need this in the percentage format so we can find the percentage change over here. So here you can see we have we apply this formula. Let me show you how I apply over here. This formula is very simple. Is equal to open bracket, current year price minus with the last year price, close bracket, divide by with the last year price, so we get the percentage. Let me show you some more important thing as well, but before that I am going to drag this formula and show you how I can drag it. Just tap on the cell and tap on the fill button, then you can have the option of drag the formula. So here you can see we have the percentage of change of percentage in first example, that is the price increase with the $70, and here we get the 31% increase. The price is similar as the last year, so we don't get the difference in the percentage. The price is increased with the $10 and the price was 100 USD, so it's just 10% increase. And the price of monitor is reduces with the 50 USD, so we got the decrease of 9.09%. And the mouse price is just increased with the $5, so we get the increase of 10 USD. So I want to tell you some more important thing. This application is the official Microsoft application. Before showing you the second example, I want to tell you how you can get this application. This is ads free, and the free application on the Android for the Android user, and you can find for the iOS user as well. So let me show you how you can get it. For that I have to connect the Wi-Fi as well. Just need to go to the Play Store, and then I have to find the application. You can see over here there are multiple applications available over here for the Excel, but this is the important thing, that we should have the official Microsoft application. The official Microsoft application is created with the Microsoft Corporation. Here you can see other applications are introduced by some other software companies, but this application is ads free, and this is the free application, so you don't need to buy, or you don't need to have the ads on your screen, and you can use without ads. So I'm going to apply the percentage formula in the second example. Here we have some current year price, so just quickly I'm going to add the price over here. This is this is simple, but I hope you will learn with it. I hope you already learned with the previous example. If you learned something, please press the like button. I really recommend you to leave a comment as well if you learned something. If you want to learn something else, so leave a comment. So I will discuss this topic as well. I will create a video and I will answer you as well, so please leave your comment right now on this video and press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to add the price of the products, and the monitor is as 500 USD, and consider mouse as 50 USD. So here you can see keyboard was 110. So now I'm going to here in this example we are not going to not going to find the change of percentage. We are giving the percentage to increase the price, means that we want to increase the percentage, or we want to increase the price in the percentage format. Means we have the price of 220, we want to increase the price with the 10%. So for that I'm going to show you how you can apply 10. I'm going to increase price with the 10%, or you can increase with some other option as well. So let me show you 5%, 8%, 6%. So for that now I have to find the price. Now I have to find the price difference with the help of this formula. The formula is very simple. Just we have to multiply current price with the percentage. So here we have the amount. I'm going to drag this formula. Here we have the amount for each item which we increase. Let's suppose we want to decrease the price of this item with the minus 5%. So here you can see we decrease the price with the 6 USD. Now we are going to find the new price for these items. So for that we just need to add this, but I'm going to apply a formula the whole formula in one cell. I'm not going to give you the cell reference of the price difference cell. So here I'm going to apply whole formula for your understanding. So formula is open bracket, the current price of the product, then multiply with the percentage increase or decrease, then close bracket, then add with this formula we will get the price of increase. Then we will add the increased price in the actual price, so we'll get the new price. So here you can see we have the answer over here in example 2. Let me drag this formula, and we have some more important thing for you. Let me show you. Here you can see, first of all let me explain you this example. Here you can see we have the price of keyboard that was $110, and then we reduce with the 5%, so we got the price as $105. So now I'm going to show you something important, that is our previous example which we already done. Here you can see we have done multiple example for the calculation of percentage. So just a quick look, we have done percentage calculation with the basic formula with 2 example. Here we calculate the percentage for the examination and the mark sheet as well for different terms. So here you can see once we change the terms, so we can find the result in our cell and the total percentage as well. So here are multiple example for your understanding, and here you can see we find the percentage of delivered product and undelivered products. So these examples are very useful, and you can also learn with the multiple example of change of percentage calculation. So difference between 2 cells. So we create multiple charts as well. Here you can see this is a chart of percentage on the sheet and the separate sheet as well. So there are multiple examples available on this training topic. You can find the links from the description, and if you want more videos, please like our channel and also subscribe. Please leave your comment right now. I want to see your comment in my comment box. I will reply you, and I will happy to see your comment. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment right now. Thank you for watching.